Uh-oh. They're coming for me. Because this cabin is illegal. It looks so good. Hey guys, welcome to Woodness Goodness. I am Graham, and we are in the middle of building this cabin. It's awesome. Watch, like, subscribe, because I'm doing a 10K giveaway. 10K being I hit 10,000 subscribers recently, and I'm super jazzed. So I want to reward my subscribers with a little gift. So I'm going to be giving away 10 sticker packs. Okay, we're going to start with the cheaper stuff because I don't necessarily make money on this channel. And I'm spending a lot of money making this cabin. So in order to win a sticker pack, you must subscribe to my channel, you must like this video, and most importantly, you have to comment below. But not just any comment. I want to hear from you, the community, the people who like cabins or cabin building. If you were to build a cabin, what is one thing that you couldn't live without in the cabin? Deck, Tarzan swing, zip line, sliding barn doors, anything goes. And you're not rewarded for like the biggest and best idea, because I am using a random comment picker for this giveaway. But obviously, if you give me cool ideas, there's bonus points involved. So like the video, subscribe to my channel, and give me a comment below on if you were to build a cabin, what is the one thing that you would have to have in that cabin? Laser. So anyhow, my Ryobi, or in America we call it Ryobi, my miter saw, it's never been that great. I think I spent $300 on it new. It's a 12-inch sliding compound miter saw, or whatever you want to call it. And the blade's dull on it, so I feel like it makes more sense, or it made more sense, to just go out and buy myself a new saw. That's sort of true, but not fully true, especially because my wife watches these videos, so I have to be careful with what I say. This was on sale, and I have a Lowe's credit card, and I got an additional 10% off, so I was like, what the heck? And it's got a laser on it!
Laser on it!
Anyhow, this is my new toy, and I'm very excited about it. We are gonna make the ceremonial first cut on my brand new saw. Oh, baby. That is, hey, it's super quiet. Obviously it's a brand new blade, but oh my goodness. Oh, it feels so good. Oh my goodness.
That's insane!
Look at this bead. Yeah. So we're getting all these windows wet glazed.
This is gonna be another episode where Max falls. I didn't think you could hear me.
I don't know how much more cedar siding I need, but I'm basically out. I got a bunch of scraps I'm working with. Because these are kind of the lowest level or bottom of the rung, bottom of the quality scale in terms of cedar shakes or cedar siding, a lot of the packs or the kind of bundles that I bought, a lot of the shingles that are in there aren't very good. So I've got a few stacks of just like really mediocre cedar siding that I'm gonna bundle back up and probably return, because some of the packs are really inconsistent. You'll get a pack that's like, yeah, these aren't the best shingles in the world, but they're like 25 to 35 bucks for a little bundle, which don't get you super far. You're definitely still spending money on it. I don't want to come across as like a cheapskate, but
you can't give me one bundle and literally there's 2 shingles that are usable, and then one bundle where pretty much everything's usable except for 2.
It just doesn't make sense. So I'm going to return these, but I've also been looking online where I typically get them. I typically get them from Lowe's, even though I need to finish these outside so we can start moving on the inside.
So anyhow, there you have it. I have to stop doing siding because I ran out again. At least 3/4 of it is shingled, like top to bottom or bottom to top. And then I have to put some cedar trim board under the windowsills because I'm not going to put a bunch of like small tiny pieces of cedar. Anyhow, I think that's it for this episode because I really can't continue right now on what I want to do. I'm going to have to go find some more cedar siding this weekend. But anyhow, guys, thanks so much for following along. It means a lot. Love your comments. And if you're new here, feel free to subscribe, because a lot of people that watch my videos don't subscribe, and I just don't get it. I mean, this is such a fun place to spend time, to be. You're getting to know me, and I'm a decent guy. I'm the type of guy that you might invite to a party or two. I might even get invited to your bar mitzvah or something. I don't know. I'm a pleasure to be around. So as always, thank you for watching. Thanks for liking my videos and my content, and thank you for just taking part in this one heck of an adventure. That's it for me, I guess. So, peace.